Idaho's young people are at risk.
He had jumped out of a 27-story window and that he was dead.
Now a community is coming together to save lives in Kootenai County. It's an eye-opening number.
Idaho has the 4th highest suicide rate in the country. It's the 2nd leading cause of death for people 15 to 34 years old in the state. And between 2006 and 2010, 72 Idaho school children took their own lives, according to the Suicide Prevention Action Network. It's a problem that the community, though, is coming together to try to address. And KXLY4's Anusha has more on those efforts.
Well, it's definitely something that needs the attention here in Kootenai County because it has among the highest suicide rates in the state. While the reasons may be varied, the bottom line is that there is hope and help for those who need it.
We're working with young teenagers to people in their 80s.
We want to do something about it and figure it out. It is the most preventable cause of death in the nation.
It's a subject that many people shy away from, suicide.
No, there is no overreacting, not in my mind. Ask. Ask. If it enters your mind, ask.
Not a day goes by that Catherine Peruce forgets what happened 15 years ago when her 24-year-old son died in Las Vegas.
I received a call about 6:15 in the morning from the police. He was in Las Vegas with some friends. And they advised us that he had jumped out of a 27-story window and that he was dead.
There are questions that are still unanswered, a loss that'll never go away.
It just came the closest to destroying me that anything ever has.
Peruce eventually joined the Suicide Prevention Action Network. She thinks Idaho's high rates could be affected by 3 things: access to mental health care, access to means to commit suicide, and stigma.
Nothing is going right for me.
The Post Falls Police Department released this video, one indicator the community is trying to come together and face this issue head on. The police have a program connecting people to resources. This year alone, they've dealt with 25 calls.
And the most important thing that we accomplish with them is we tell them somebody cares.
The Coeur d'Alene School District trains students and staff on suicide prevention and their support groups and hotlines. The message is there's hope and people who want to help.
I don't want anybody to go through that alone if they have to.
Right now, Idaho is the only state in the nation without a statewide hotline, but legislature recently approved funding for that, so it should be in the works. On our website, we have links and information for more resources in our community. Live in Coeur d'Alene, Anusha, KXLY4 HD News.